Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link her shop down below, as well as the freebie we have listed for November. Today we're going to go ahead and stuff my Christmas binder. Christmas is sneaking up very, very quickly. My main focus has been to make sure I have enough money in PTO to get me through 3 weeks of vacation. So because I have a part-time job, I do accrue PTO very, very slowly. It takes a very long time to just get an hour. And then I have some time that I can take off, or I can take a leave for a minimum of 3 weeks. So that's what I decided to go ahead and do. I do have 1 week fully funded. I'm working on my second week, and then I'm just going to keep pushing as best I can to get through that third week before I actually start my leave. But I also have made up my mind that if there's other things I have to do to maintain, obviously I'm going to have to do it because I've committed already to taking the time off. So run a playlist, guys, because YouTube money counts. It helps. Run a playlist. Okay. Thank you guys for coming back again, too, by the way. You guys have been so supportive. What I need to do, I was trying to figure out where I'm going to get the big bills, because I didn't want to put all this change into my Christmas binder. So what I need to do first is separate this money. Let's go ahead and do this. I won't go over where I got the savings challenges from again, because we've already done that, right? And I probably should have done this off camera because this part is not necessary. I just need to see how much money I have, so then I can focus on getting some change and go from there. And I was so proud of myself for this savings challenge because it was so much money. And then there's another savings challenge that was so much money. Yes. Okay, let's set this off to the side here. All right, and we'll grab my completed savings challenges so I can put them into my completed savings challenge envelope. And we will separate this money here really quickly so we can give it a solid count and we'll know what we're working with. And hopefully I can shut my face and speed through this. Okay, that's the first part. Let's get the rest of the money we need. I did do a Christmas bingo, which is in our shop. I'll link it down below. It was a lot of fun, and I am going to bring it back. I'm going to do it again because it was so much fun. You can save a minimum of $116 playing bingo using this bingo savings challenge. Let me move this. All right, and I have my calculator over here somewhere. Found my calculator. I don't even know if I'm in frame, but I will say the number aloud. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40. And I saved 144, I know, from my 142. Now I'm confused, from my Christmas bingo. You can go back and look at the last one if you want to. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh my goodness, you are kidding me right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You guys are not going to believe this. At least I am. I don't know what I didn't. There was no way I thought it was that much money. I have $222. $222. Oh my God. I have $222 from those small savings challenges, of course, and then also from my Christmas bingo. $222. Okay. Oh, I've got to chill. Okay. Let me figure out the change. Okay, I have found $30. Let's get $30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I have 30. That's so crazy. 30 bucks. And let me put this away. Okay. I've got to calm down. I cannot believe it's that much money. And I keep saying this, and I've been saying it a while, like a little bit goes a long way. And I keep saying that because it's so very true. But look how long of a wait it went this time. And this was just extra money from that I did not spend. And anyway, I was able to save just a little bit from my paychecks. I was able to do anything and help somebody, and then they gave me a couple bucks. Literally, this was just like, instead of going out to eat, putting the money into savings. And don't get me wrong, my kiddos and I mean, we don't go out very often, but I did make it a point to fit that in there somewhere, saving enough for us to have some time together to go out to eat or whatever. So, wow. Okay. So basically this money is going to go to PTO. So I need my calculator back out. Breathe. Okay. So we said this was $222. Should we recount it? We're going to recount it. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, it is $222, guys. Okay, so we have $222, and we're going to add it to what we have here, which my tracker says is $424. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. This is wild. You know how you hope that things will pan out the way you're hoping they will, right? You're so, oh, I hope I can do this, and I'm going to try to do this, and to actually seeing this come to pass, in the grand scheme of things, when everything's said and done, I think it'll all be worth it. We are adding $222 today, and we have $646. My original goal was 1 week, and then it went to 2 weeks, and then of course they were like, no, you have to take 3. So I still need quite a bit of money to get my stuff together here. Let's see, times 3, 1,140. Ooh. Okay, so I still have some work to do. I am going to rework my budget since I am taking time off. There'll be some expenses that won't need such amount of help. Like I said, I have the $50 here for my, it was originally for my gift that I could pull as well, which I'm probably going to go ahead and move it in at some point to my Christmas binder. Oh my gosh, I am over the moon. So excited right now. I still have plenty of weeks to not spend and try to make some money. Like I said, run a playlist because the YouTube money helps out quite a bit. And I've not made a ton of money on YouTube or anything like that, but when it does come through, it helps a lot. So you guys, I'm so grateful for you coming back every time to see what's happening over here with me. I am blown away that this kind of progress is being made. I'm in shock. I can't even, oh man, I'm so proud of me. And I'm glad that I decided to go ahead and choose to take the time off to be with my children and we have some stuff we need to discuss, but I think for the most part, you're able to read between the lines. Some things have changed over here, and it's been a lot of heavy weight on my shoulders, and trying to do everything on my own has been very eye-opening. But I'm a strong person, and God willing, there's nothing that I cannot do, because you know, I truly believe that I am blessed. I am truly blessed. So anyway, that's it for now, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.